Sometimes you let me go.
Alright, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This week's video I'm going to be opening an ETB, which is an Elite Trainer box for the Sword and Shield Brilliant Stars. So I have the box right here, and I have my scissors, and this comes with a lot of goodies. I really been wanting to open one of these, so that'll be fun to try. Alright. There's that. Has the sleeve with the really cool artwork inside. Then this one has the booklet. I think this tells you about all the cards you can get. Yeah. I open Pokemon cards on my Whatnot a lot, and that'll be linked down below. I have lives and stuff where you guys are able to win things and, you know, come and hang out. It's a fun time. I definitely meet a lot of cool people. Here's our packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 packs. Comes with these really cool sleeves. Super cute. Comes with a bunch of energy cards. These little dividers. A V-Star, which I have a few of these. Some dice. A code card. This is like a little information about like the energy cards if you play, and then these little like coin things. But yeah. Alright, we have 8 packs to open, and I do have sleeves, which I'll get out in case I pull something good. And I have top loaders. So let's see how well we do with our box. I'll show you guys. Alright. We got a V-Star card. We got the V-Star and got a hollow clank. Okay. Alright. It's a cold one. We pull a cheeker card. I really love to pull something cool. I have pulled an Arceus before. Okay, we have the Arceus V-Star, which is funny because I was just talking about that. And we have a full trainer art of the Houndoom, which is super cute. That's a really good one. So definitely love that. I've pulled the regular V out of the Arceus, so I'll save them at the end. But yeah, I go live actually in about an hour-ish, so I just want to get a little hyped and open some packs. I've been searching for the Rainbow Zard, so let's see if we get lucky enough to find him. Weedle. Okay. There's that. Alright. Another pack. I love pack ripping, to be honest. I don't feel like it's something I ever get tired of. It's like I'm always curious to see like what I can find. Oh, there's the Beltoid. Ooh, and a V. I've actually pulled this one before. The Dogfish. It's like this weird, like, little monstery fish. It's nice. We'll sleeve that for sure. Alright. Let's see. We need a good pull here. Come on. Alright. Still have 3 more packs. Pulled at least three cards that are good. Alright. Sorry if the camera's like a little blurry. A hollow. Okay, we got a hollow. It's a Professor's Research for Science. I'm gonna save this one for the last. Open the Arceus one. Another good one came out of an Arceus pack. I would love to pull a secret rare Arceus. That'd be super sick. Or a Charizard. Manaphy. Oh, to have a little strawberry shortcake. Okay. Last pack magic. Let's see. We'll pull another cheaper pack. Alright. Overall, this booster box is pretty cool open. Did get these nice cards right here. This V-Star is really nice. So I will be sleeving that for sure. Nice. I definitely recommend opening these up and trying your luck. There are a lot of good cards in these ones. A lot of cutie cards and stuff like that. So definitely try them out. I'm actually pretty happy with my box. I have quite a bit of Pokemon cards now in my collection, and some of these I will be saving for my Whatnot, which will be in the description. I am Gemstone Gym on Whatnot, so you can definitely find me down there. But yeah, maybe I'll show you guys some of the stuff that I've picked up lately. I think I left my slabs. Huh? Yeah, can you bring them to me? So, I have some slabbies now, but I thought I'd show you guys one of my coolest pulls, which should be a video coming soon. I filmed it on my iPad, so I have to figure out how I'm gonna, like, transfer that footage. Alright, but I got this V-Star, which is really cool out of him.
You're in your brother's size box.
Yeah. Okay, so I pulled a lot of these cards, but yeah, I do have some cool ones. Let's see. Have the Togekiss V, but I think this is probably like my coolest card. I'm gonna try and get this graded. It's the hidden rare like Pikachu, which is really cool. So yeah, I guess maybe I'll do a video like later with my slabs since I don't have them. So yeah, I think I had put them away. Yeah, they're probably elsewhere, but I'm still really excited for the Arceus. I didn't have this one in my personal collection. I have pulled this card, and I've pulled the hidden rare, which is really nice. But yeah, it's really cool. I'm thinking about also getting this card graded. It's like the golden Mew. But definitely check me out on Whatnot. I'm almost to 1K, so who knows by the time this video if I've hit it or not. I have an exciting collaboration coming, so look forward to that. And thank you so much for joining me on my little Pokemon pack opening. It's been super exciting, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!